Okay, so this is T30 belongs to Alias. So this is the number for the drone. Okay, the customer sent me the drone. The problem is liquid level meter didn't detect the water level. Okay, but the liquid level meter module. Okay, switch here. Pelampung is working. See. Okay, but it doesn't detect the water level. Okay.
Fasten all arm locks securely to prevent potential safety risks.
0 liter. Okay. Also there is no error about liquid level meter not detected or anything or disconnected. Okay. Okay, so this is the user profile. Let's bin Ali. It is serial number and serial number.
Fasten all arm locks securely to prevent potential safety risks.
But we will refill around 26 liter of water. Okay. So suspect the cable or the meter itself problem. So we try to check the current. Okay. So we will update in the next video. Okay, that's all. Thank you.